it's me, Natalie, and in case you forgot, it is the season of giving, baby. But guess what? I'm not just giving away one give, no. I'm spreading the love as far as the eye can see. Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and our vlog, more chances for you to win. So get this, here's a breakdown as to how you can win as much as you can win this holiday season. Now stick to the end of this video to see all of these wonderful goodies. First, I'll be giving away $2,000 in Amazon gift cards randomly. So what does randomly mean? 6 a.m., 9 p.m., 10 a.m., randomly. You just don't know. Now these Amazon codes will be dropping on both my Twitter and my Instagram stories, so make sure that you're following me on there and have post notifications turned on because there will be over 40 drops. 40. The chances are so high for you to win something. But if you want to increase your chances, just text me. You heard right, text me right now. Right here, this is the number. Anyone who texts me at this number right here gets a 2-minute head start as to where and when the drop will happen. Now the trick here is that the codes will be displayed and the fastest person will get it. So make sure you're here early. Now I'm giving away my number because I want to make sure that my true outies get it before anyone else on these platforms.
I got your back.
Secondly, I will be giving away a pair of AirPod Pros and an iPhone on my Twitter. Look at this color. Oh my God, I'm obsessed. I want you. So what do I have to do, you might ask? So on Twitter, all you have to do is make sure that you retweet this picture right here and turn on post notifications because the Amazon codes will drop randomly. An iPhone for the Twitter user. I can't wait to see all the funny tweets that you come up with. Third, I will be giving away 2 huge, gigantic piles at Sephora and Ulta and all of my favorite Holy Grail products to 2 of you guys. And finally, I'll be giving away an iPad Pro so that you can edit all your fantastic makeup tutorials and post them on Instagram. So for that one, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram and tag 3 friends on this picture right here. And that's it. It's that simple. Lastly, I'll be giving away a MacBook Air and a Canon camera. Oh my God. So that you can be the next YouTube sensation. For this one, all you have to do is make sure that you're subscribed to this channel right here, which you probably already are, and turn post notifications on right here, which you probably already do. And that's it, it's that easy. I highly recommend you to click the link at the top of the description, which will allow you to enter all of these giveaways in no time. Plus, it will have even more bonus entries, so your chances are higher. On screen right now are all the giveaways going on in the month of December, including how to win extra entries and how many random Amazon drops there will be. Screenshot this screen right now in order to remember there is a lot of prizes. I worked hard all year to give back to you guys, my outies, and make sure to increase the chances of everyone being able to win something. I hope you guys are excited. I'll also be doing Vlogmas over on my second channel, Natalie and Dennis Show, so be sure to head on over right now because you guys, there is 25 days of giveaways happening over there, along with 25 days of vlogs. If you're not subscribed to that channel, be sure to subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for everything that you do. I'm eternally grateful. I cry myself to sleep every single night, just like, this job is hard, but I love my outies. Don't forget to text me for a huge boost right here. It's on screen. And also here are some holiday videos to get you in the holiday spirit. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to live weird or die normal. Bye.